Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we are looking at a question 1 from a Maths Lit paper 1. It's a 2017, and the question deals with definitions, so some mathematical concepts that you'll need to know. So they've given us a table with some letters and a definition, and these definitions you kind of just need to know off by heart, and that comes with the studying. But as you work with the material, you will start to learn more about it. So let's just go through each one of them. So A is, what is the middle value in an ordered data set? So that is known as the median of the data set. B is the difference between maximum and minimum values of a data set. That's the range. Distance from the center of a circle to the circumference of a circle is known as the radius. So again, you just need to learn these definitions. D is the positive difference between income and expenditure. That's known as profit. E is the maximum distance between 2 points on the circumference of a circle. So that is the diameter. And the F, the amount received from sales of goods or services. That's known as your income. And of course, G is the sum of data values divided by the number of data values. That is your average or mean. It's the same thing. So if you go into the questions now, so we've gone through every single one of them. So basically 1.1.1 is now saying which is the profit, what is profit, and as I said, it is the number D, which is the positive difference between income and expenditure. So your answer here is D. Mean, as I said, is the average, and it's also known as the sum of data values divided by the number of data values. So this one here is G, and the length of the radius is number C, which is the distance from the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle. So the answer here is C. Don't get confused between radius and diameter, because E is referring to the diameter, which is the maximum distance between 2 points on the circumference of a circle. So yeah, those are your definitions. That's a wrap on that one. Before I go, I'd just like to give a very special thanks to our epic sponsors for making these videos possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.